Declarative sentences Jumlat ya khabari. Declarative sentences in Persian, like in English, are used to make statements and convey information. These sentences usually follow a subject-object-verb order. However, depending on the emphasis, the order can sometimes be flexible. Positive declarative sentences. Example 1. She is a student. O danizchi ast. Example 2. They are going to the market. Anha ba bazar mi ronand. Uh, Negative declarative sentences. Example 1. He is not at home. O dar khana nest. Here, dar mean home. And the second example is we don't have any money. Ma hich puli nadarium. Hich mean me and the puli mean money. Interrogative sentences in Persian are used to ask questions. This can be yes or no questions or WH family questions. Who, what, where, when, why, how. Persian often use the question particles. Aya. Aya mean asking question from anyone. Uh, at the beginning of yes or no questions, but it is not always necessary. Yes, no questions. For example, are you hungry? Aya to garana, grasan aaye. The second example is he a doctor? Aya o doktorast. WH questions. Example 1. Where are you going? Kuja mi Ravi. Kuja mean where, Ravi mean going. The second example is what time is it? Saat chanast. Imperative sentences. Jumla tamri. Imperative sentences in Persian are used to give command, make questions, or offer innovations. They often have the verb at the beginning of the sentence and the subject is usually implied rather than stated. Command example 1 sit down, Benshin. Example 2 read the book, Kitab ra bikhwanin. Request example 1 please help me, Latfa baman kamakun. Example 2 open the window, Panjar rabaz kun. Exclamatory sentences Jumla tajubi. Exclamatory sentences express strong emotions or surprise. In Persian, they are often remarked by specific words and exclamatory particles, and the intonation plays a key role. Example 1. What a beautiful day. Char roz zeba. Zeba mean beautiful. Example 2. How amazing. Cha shigift angez. Example 3. Wow, that's incredible. OA and Bauer Nakarindi Ast. Sentences structure and flexibility. Persian sentences are quite flexible in their structure compared to English. They typically order in subject, object, verb, but for emphasis or stylistic reasons, the order can be rearranged without changing the meaning uh, drastically. Example: Standard Man kitab ra mikhwanind. I am reading the book. Emphasize subject. Kitab Raman mikhwanind. I am reading the book. Emphasize object. Man makhwanin kitab ra. I am reading the book. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video we will discuss types of sentences in Persian language. Introduction to Persian sentences. In Persian language, sentence can be categorized into four types: declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Each type serves as a specific purpose in communication and has its own unique structure and pattern. The first type is declarative sentences. Declarative sentences in Persian are used to make statement or express facts. They end with a period and have a neutral intonation. For example, Man khushal hastam, I am happy. And the second example is in Kitab Man Ast. This is my book. The second one is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences in Persian are used to ask question. They end with a question mark and often have a rising intonation. For example, Aya to khushal astam, are you happy? And the second example is Aya an kitab shuma ast, is this your book? The third one is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence in Persian are used to give command or make request. They often have an implied subject and end with a period. For example, Latfan kitab ra bakhwanin. Please read the book. The second example is Ik fanjan chai baman bad. Give me a cup of tea. The last one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence in Persian are used to express strong emotion and surprise. They end with an exclamation mark and often have a heightened intonation. For example, Chikadar Zebast, how beautiful is this? The second example is Chikadar Sher Shuma Zebast, how beautiful is your city? Thank you.